So we have been talking about the technology in business. We'll be talking about three successful cases when companies succeeded in digital form. So first we'll be taking the case of Domino's Pizza. So in Domino's Pizza is one of the biggest pizza restaurant chains in the world. This is an international business operating in more than 83 countries. The business started its journey pretty successfully in 2007. The stock price of we were talking about the Domino's Pizza. This was a good rise compared to $14.70 in 2004. But in 2008, things started to change. Domino's experienced a steady decline. In October of the same year, their stock price was only $5.95. The team started to look for ways to revamp the business and grow again. So the challenge came was drop in demand and decrease. The drop in the demands and decrease in popularity was recorded. So Domino's Pizza had to transform its service delivery and bring more value to their customers. Now we'll see what was the solution they came up with. So the solution that Domino's came up with, Domino's team understood that making tasteful pizza is not enough in the competitive environment. Technology and business had to brought together to produce extra value. This value would help the company to stand out immediately, attract new clients, attract potential customers. The team knew that if you offer customers a better service, at the same time, they will choose you over the competitors. So this was the point when Domino's turned into a tech-savvy company. Business technology was one of the tools that helped the business fight prices. So they started to integrate business technology into improved agility. So they came up with their applications also. The company's concept of Domino's Aware Anywhere enables clients here. Anywhere is ANYWAR. Anywhere enables clients to order their pizza via dozens of channels. This makes it very convenient for people to make an order regardless of where they are. So, namely, you can order via smart TV, via Facebook Messenger, Alexa, and even Twitter. Twitter is probably the most impressive and unusual place to make orders, but it worked. But it worked. Domino's Pizza makes this possible with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Smart chatbots integrated with different digital channels process big volumes of data. They are also capable of automating order fulfillment. All of you need to make use of Domino's Anywhere in your pizza account registered. All the information, including the one about your favorite orders, will be automatically extracted from your account, and chatbots enables users to place and track their orders, speed up processing, and improve the service based on the client feedback. So this was the strategy that Domino's used to remain in the business run by using the technology. They uses the artificial intelligence and machine learning by using smart chatbots, by providing the pizza account registered with their Domino's Anywhere app. So we'll be discussing the next success story of the very renowned organization, that is Walmart. So when we talk about Walmart, let's study what context they have given. Walmart, as a leading retail giant, has a deep sense of market changes and the importance of technology for business. The need to transform the way client interacts with the brand become evident to Walmart's team. Moreover, the company had enough capabilities to invest in digital information and upgrade back office operation. So the company had enough capabilities to invest more in digital transformation. They wanted to transform themselves using the digital platform and upgrade back office operations. So they upgraded their back office operations. What was the challenge coming in Walmart? Bring innovation, fight competition, and digitize the shopping experience was the problem. So, what solution they came up with? The challenge was to fight the competitors because there were other competitors in the market also, right? So, to bring innovation, to digitize the shopping experience, they wanted to bring up those changes. So, let's see what solutions they have came up with to uh, to be in the list of successful business organizations in communication technology. So the challenge of the use of technology in business had two sides. Number one, Walmart wanted to renovate the services they deliver to a customer. Firstly, they wanted to renovate their services which they deliver to their customer. And secondly, on the other hand, they wanted to revamp the team needed. They wanted to revamp their team. They wanted the way their management, administration, and other in-house processes. Like other in-house processes are the processes in-house here means where the customer is not allowed to go. So they were their only workstations only, like their storage rooms, their warehouses, back office and all. So in 2018, Walmart invested more than $11 billion in tech renovation. So they renovated the entire outlet. They came up with the technological renovation as a part of their business growth strategy. They decided to partner with leading tech companies. These were Google Voice Enabled Commerce, Google Voice Enabled Commerce, and Microsoft Cloud Computing. So they uses these two leading technological partners, Google Voice Enabled Commerce and Microsoft Cloud Computing. And by using these two technologies, they totally revamped their outlet. We'll study more about Walmart. Because of the changing consumer demands, Walmart also decided to strengthen their social media presence. Omni-channel retailing was a strategy for reaching a millennial audience. Omni-channel here means a number of channels which you can use to reach the masses and fully satisfy their needs, because the competition is so much in the market that nobody or no organization wants to lose their customer. So, omni-channel retailing strategy was used to reach the mass audience and satisfy fully their needs. As for the back office innovations, these included the modernization of the supply chain and inventory management. When we talk about supply chain, here supply chain is we are talking about the logistics and supply chain. Supply chain is from the warehouse to the final ultimate consumer. How the things process and how the things reaches from being a raw material to a finished good, from a vendor to a final ultimate customer. So this entire process requires the help of supply chain. Inventory management. Inventory management is how your stocks are managed, how your warehouses or godowns are managed, how the inventories are taken care of regarding different sectors of FMCG. If we are talking about FMCG, we are talking about groceries, we are talking about electronic appliances. So all these things are inventory management, right? So the inventory management of is done for all these types of categories of product. So this enabled the company to lower the costs and service prices by optimizing and balancing them in various digital channels. AI-powered data analytics integrated into their supply chain solutions. AI helped them to provide supply chain solution, give the company access to data about the customers. Like AI helped them to give the access to know about their customers' database, understanding what client needs, understanding the client needs, and help them to adjust according to their marketing effort and make data-driven decisions. So what happened is the company enabled these services by optimizing the digital channels. They also got the customer data, and what they did, they start analyzing those data and using their marketing efforts, using their marketing platform, they started making the data-driven decisions, right? So now Walmart also invested in Data Cafe, the data storing and management hub. It was the data storage and management hub that processed data collection from more than 20,000 Walmart stores. So Data Cafe is the hub where more than 20,000 data stores, data of 20,000 Walmart stores are saved and 200 internal sources, more than 200 internal sources. So in Data Cafe, Walmart data expert visualizes, manipulates, and interpret data for faster decision making. Ultimately, it is done just to make good decision making and to reap better return on investments, right? So the company also integrated artificial intelligence technologies for business as well as blockchain. This improved the traceability of products down the supply chain. So they improved the supply chain and inventory management using Data Cafe, right? So we'll be studying the next case of Tesla, like how Tesla used technology in their business communication. As Tesla is electronic vehicle company, and they are using the EVs just to reduce the pollution, just to become environment friendly. So they are coming up, they have came up in the market with a new concept. Let's study about it. So when we talk about Tesla, from the very beginning, Tesla knew how to use technology in business to stand out. Tesla was not among the typical industry representative, as I told you. The positioning of brand included transformational and innovative ideas. Tesla is the innovator in the industry, right? The bunch of benefits the company offers to the audience impresses. Tesla cars are highly innovative, eco-friendly, future-proof, and easy to maintain. So how does Tesla manage to achieve a great result? With effective technology, of course. Why? Because they are dealing into the technological vehicles. They are dealing into electronic vehicles. Let's see what challenge they came up with. The challenge was use top-notch technologies to reduce the way people see cars and their functions. So the solution, the challenge was they wanted to use the most upgraded and top technology to redefine the perception of people towards cars, towards four-wheelers and their functions. So let's see what solution they provided. Tesla is the only car manufacturer in the world that introduces software updates over the air to get safety, performance, or convenience updates. A client doesn't need to put effort. So the manufacturer automatically improves the vehicle's characteristics and capacity. All you need to do is to download a software, update it using Wi-Fi, and launch the installation. So what they did, they provided the software. So what you have to do is you just have to download the software in your vehicle and you will get all the updates over there only. But you have to update that software on time. So they came up with such a good performance, and what happens is that software will tell you about the safety of that vehicle, the performance of that vehicle, and also the convenience update, like, and what else client wants. So this was a very good, we can say this was a very good innovation from Tesla. What's more, a person doesn't have to visit a showroom to purchase a car. The company uses online channels to enable online car purchases across the globe. Now, in marketing, they also came up with if suppose a person doesn't want to visit a showroom to purchase a car, now the company uses online channels to enable online car purchases across the globe. As in the case of pizza ordered from Domino's, you can fill the form and order a Tesla car, right? As in the case of pizza, you ordered from Domino's, but in case of Tesla, what happens is you can fill the form and order a Tesla. It's such a simple approach to sales, simplifies the way one has to go through to decide if they need a vehicle or not. So this was the thing. They totally revamped it by using the innovative idea in the market. So they are the innovators as they firstly came up with these new innovations. Sure, the opportunity to visit a showroom and run a test drive is available. Yes, that opportunity is available with the customer. But in case if somebody doesn't want to visit the store, they can opt for the form filling and ordering the vehicle. So this automotive company also plans. This automotive company also plans to integrate AR, that is augmented reality technology, into the manufacturing process. AR is expected to ensure quick data access for manufacturers across the factory. Here, augmented reality is a technology which is used to ensure quick data access. That data is available to the manufacturer from any factory across the cities, states, or the country. So the worker will easily get the image they need in front of their eyes to ensure an uninterrupted and smooth production chain process. What happens is if they are able to access the data, so their production chain will continue without any interruption as they are able to maintain a contact with the production factory or the manufacturing units. Now, Tesla regularly introduce new interesting features to their infotainment software system. There are popular apps integrated into the system. These include streaming platforms, video portals like YouTube, Netflix, or Hulu. What's the most exciting is that you can turn the arcade mode on and you use your steering wheel buttons for game navigation. But yes, this is also the technology. This option is also available where you can just on the arcade mode of you can on the arcade mode and use your steering as a navigation button for your game. So sure, this function is unavailable when driving. When you don't think that when you are driving, that option will be available. No, as the company also know, it is sometime, no, not sometime, it is distracting and there will be the chances of accidents. So they made this function unavailable when you are driving. But as soon as you park the car, you can enjoy the multi-dimension experience that the smart vehicles gives you. So they are taking care of everything. They are taking care of comfort. They are taking care of your entertainment. They are taking care of your safety. So they are providing you infotainment software also. They are providing you safety software also. They are providing you the software which gives you the information about your entire vehicle, its performance, its updates. So they are reaping the benefit of technology at all levels, right? So now coming up to the conclusion part, as we have studied what is technology and what is the role of technology in communication. So I can conclude that technology has revolutionized the way business communicate with their customers and employees by offering various communication channels to suit different preferences. Chatbots, for instance, provide 24/7 customer support. Furthermore, video conferencing tools like Zoom and Microsoft have made it possible for business to hold virtual meetings, interviews, and training sessions without the need for physical presence. And in conclusion, technology has brought about significant improvements in business by offering various channels. By providing various channels, automating routine tasks, and enabling remote collaborations. I hope this session would have given you some useful information and will meet you in the next session. Thank you so much.